Septic systems play a vital role in managing wastewater for homes not connected to municipal sewer systems. They function by breaking down solids and treating water through a process of filtration and absorption into the ground. Regular pumping is essential to maintain the system's efficiency, as it prevents clogs, backups, and costly repairs. Neglecting to pump your septic tank can lead to system failure and environmental issues, making it crucial for homeowners to schedule regular maintenance to ensure a healthy and safe home environment. To find reliable septic pumping services in Cartersville, you should start by researching local providers. Begin by checking online reviews on platforms such as Google, Yelp, and social media to gauge customer satisfaction. Additionally, seek recommendations from neighbors, friends, or local community groups to get first-hand insights. It's also important to review the company's history, looking for experience in the industry and any relevant certifications or affiliations. A well-established service with positive feedback is more likely to offer quality work, ensuring your septic needs are met efficiently and professionally. When selecting a septic pumping service, it's crucial to evaluate their credentials carefully. Ensure that the company is fully licensed to operate in your state, which indicates they meet local regulations and standards. Additionally, verify that they are insured to protect you from liability in the event of accidents or damage during the service. Look for certifications from professional organizations, which can be a testament to their expertise and commitment to best practices. These credentials not only ensure quality work but also provide peace of mind that you're hiring a qualified professional. When comparing septic pumping services, evaluating pricing structures and service offerings is essential. Different companies may provide various packages, which can include different levels of service, such as basic pumping, comprehensive tank cleaning, or maintenance plans. It's important to understand what each package entails and how it aligns with your needs. Be cautious of prices that seem too low, as they may indicate subpar service quality. By obtaining quotes and clarifying services included, you can make an informed decision that ensures reliable service while protecting your investment in your septic system. Reading customer reviews is an invaluable step in selecting a septic pumping service. Testimonials provide insights into the quality of service, revealing how past clients felt about their experience. Pay attention to both positive and negative feedback. Positive reviews can highlight reliability and professionalism, while negative comments may reveal operational issues or poor customer service. Look for patterns in the feedback to gauge overall service quality. By interpreting these reviews thoughtfully, you can align your expectations with what the company can deliver, ensuring a reliable choice for your septic needs.